Good morning, class 4th. Children, we shall continue with the chapter regarding the PowerPoint. We are learning about the basics of PowerPoint. Okay, so I am on page number 71. We had finished in the previous period till here. Okay, so today we shall start this topic, how to work in a slide. As I told you, children, that slide is just like the page of our notebook. Okay, we just like the way we do our work in our notebook. So when we are saying that we are doing the work in our notebook, actually we are not doing in the notebook, but in a page of a notebook. Similarly, when we are saying that we are creating presentation, that means we are creating various slides. So we need to learn how to work in a slide. Now let's start. As we know, a PowerPoint presentation is a collection of many slides. We can create additional slides. These slides, when displayed in sequence, form our presentation. So, it is a collection of many slides and we can create additional slides. Means not just the ones provided to us, but we can add as many slides as we want. These slides, when we display in a sequence, and the sequence will be decided by whom? By us. How we want those slides to be displayed, it forms a presentation. So we have to prepare the slides first in order to prepare a presentation. So when we have to do the presentation, at that time beforehand we need to prepare our slides. Only then we can do the presentation. When a blank presentation is created, a slide appears on the screen with two placeholders. So whenever a blank presentation is created, by default what happens? A slide with two placeholder appears. We have learned what is a placeholder, where we can do the work or which can take care of our things. Now first, click inside a placeholder to enter text. The cursor appears, means here you can in the previous page you have seen that we can click on the placeholders and then we can enter the text. Type the text. After you finish typing the text, click outside the placeholder. Means wherever you click outside the placeholder, the rectangular box will disappear and the text will be shown to you. Okay, like in this there is a one more box. If you want to start typing, you just need to click here with your mouse, and then you can do the typing using keyboard, and then you can click here just outside the placeholder and the text will be added here. Okay children, now how to insert new slide. The following are the steps to insert a new slide in a presentation. Click the home tab on the ribbon. Means how we can enter the new slide. Let's see. We will click on the home tab on the ribbon. We will click on the home tab, all of you know. Then click new slide from slide group. A list appears. Here you can see a list is appearing when we have clicked on the new slide. Choose the layout you want. For example, blank. The new slide is inserted. Similarly, many slides can be added in a presentation. Okay. So here you can see that when we have clicked on home, new slides, so many different types of layouts are there, like this with two boxes, this with one bigger box, one smaller box, and then this is with one rectangular box where you can write the title and the two things you can add. It can be picture, graphs, shapes, whatever that you want. And this one is blank, in which you can do as per your own choice. So this way you can play around. Okay. Now here I think one word is missing. Similarly, many slides can be added in a presentation. So you can add your own self. Okay. You can add here. Now here you can see a new blank slide is inserted, and here we can see that it is showing two slides. So it is like a review. Here we can navigate between the various slides. Even if we are inserting 30 slides, we can see here and we can use a scroll bar to go through in the miniature form. Okay children. Now how to insert text box. We use text box to add text anywhere on our slide. Means when we want to add text anywhere on our slide, we can insert here other than the text boxes provided to us. Okay, in some formats the text boxes are provided and in some layouts it is not provided. So there we can add our own text box. The following are the steps to add the text. Select the slide where you want to add a text box, means wherever you want to add the text box. So we have selected blank slide here. Now click text box from the text group, means we will click on the text box option from the text group, then drag to draw a text box where you want to add text. Here it is being dragged and a text box is added here, just like the placeholders that we have seen in the previous layout. Here also a rectangular box is there. Now type the text using the keyboard and click anywhere outside the text box. So once you have inserted the text that you want to and you have placed as per your own choice, you can click outside somewhere and this will be added there. Okay. Now practice time. So this is for practice. You can do this practice thing at your home and only under the presence of your parents. Please children, do not try to do these things on your own and in the absence of your parents. Even if you have a desktop or laptop or whatever that you people have, because it is a very sensitive system. So just ensure that your parents are sitting and you take their permission, you take their help in doing so. Okay. So you can try this if you have system at your home, and if you don't have, then I will show you the practical video. At that time also you can see. Now remember, if your text takes more than one line, PowerPoint automatically wraps the text onto the next line. You do not need to press the enter key to enter text on the next line. Okay? Enter key should be pressed only when you wish to start a new paragraph. Means you will not press enter key. You will only press enter key when you want to start a new paragraph. Okay. So today we will we will end our our explanation till here. Okay. And in the next period, we will see what all we can do. Okay. With the PowerPoint, and I will also try to send you practical video of the part that we have covered till now. Okay, so please do read it, do watch the video and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.